Whoa! Watch, it's gonna be a hit hard. It's gonna be a hard hit. Whoa. Holy cow! Welcome back to the channel. Nari Phnom Penh. Ngay ní thầy. Those mud. Hi Bong. We're gonna go again. So we're gonna get roast duck to go to the beach. Oh wow.
See?
Oh wow, they got a lot of good stuff here. Oh, this is the duck we're gonna get. Oh wow. Oh, here comes the roast duck. Let's see. Okay, fine. So apparently we're not gonna show you guys until we get to the hotel. This is my favorite spot. I love this road. We're gonna do a quick rest stop at the casino. A little rest stop, rest, eat, and then we'll take off again. It's a long drive. Alright, we are at the rest area. Can't wait to eat, relax a little, and then we're gonna drive again to Newport. Yep, this is halfway stop. Use the restroom and everything. Oh man, we are here. Alrighty everybody, we are here at the quick rest stop. Back there is full of our crabbing stuff and other stuff, and inside the vehicle it's packed. Let's see. Oh, I can't open that. Yeah, close it. But no, because it's all gonna fall out. Yeah, all the stuff in there. Let's see. My goodness. It's Sheesh. Yeah, so when we travel together, it's always full. And I love my truck because he's been so good to me. Been taking us all over, crabbing, fishing, clamming. You know, never had a problem with this. I love it. I'm not advertising for Toyota, but I'm a Toyota guy. Always Toyota. Huge fan. And I love my rig. I love you. Thank you for taking care of us. Alright everybody, if you're from a different state and stuff, this is Spirit Mountain Casino. We always like to stop here for a rest stop before we head out again to the beach. It's like a good halfway point where a lot of people always stop by this casino for a rest stop. I'm happy they have it here because it's like perfect on the way to the beach. It's right off the highway. Yeah. Now get exciting beta. Bọc tôi. Exciting beta bọc tôi. Chỉ mới trời thông không bằng đúng không ạ? Yeah. There's a lot of fish in this little creek. Yeah. Oh, they're all gone. There used to be big old koi here. Yeah. Oh, right there, no, koi. Big one, yeah, thông bóng nó. A lot. Be more in it. No. Did you see it, Hannah? Get it.
Oh, man, that's all.
Yeah, a lot, right now.
Oh,
yeah, let's go this way. Look, trời thông à. See right there. Yeah, a lot. Yeah, thông. Đặt thơ khó. Oh my god. Trời khó. Look, little baby ones in there too. No, please do not feed the fish. Please do not try to swim with the fish. Yeah. Come on, dear. Nike hiên học chổi hell. Yeah, man. Okay, let's go. Ooh, it's cold. Yeah. All right, everybody, we're gonna go inside and then we probably can spend like an hour or two here, just relax, eat, and then I will come back to you guys after we're done. Alrighty, we're done. That was like 2 hours relaxing and eating. We had fun. Now back on the road trip. Donate. We donated. ឆ្លៃទប់ទឹកម្នាក់30ដុល្លារ ដើរទៅឡើងវិញឲ្យ hamburger ញ៉ាំ លាងដៃអស់30ដុល្លារ What they said was we washed our hands and it cost us $30 each to wash our hands. Alrighty, let's go. Alright, let's go back on the road trip. Nãy kia on lối hả? No, lane. We came to relax. Don't donate. That's true.
Okay, let's go.
We are only 30 minutes away from our destination, and the ladies want to stop by at Depot Bay because we saw the wave. Look at that wave. Oh, honey, wow. The ladies want to see the wave up there. It splashed so high on the road. It was so cool. Guess we're gonna go down here. Sorry for the wind noise. Oh my goodness. I've never seen the water this high before here. Wow. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. The water went all the way up here. Honey, the water did all over there. Oh my goodness, that looks scary. Wow. Is there any mussels? I kind of want to go fishing for rockfish. Go inside rockfish. Yeah, probably. That looks so scary. This is like a crazy storm. I've never seen water waves splash on top of the rocks. Oh my goodness. That's insane. It's kind of scary, honestly. Oh, sheesh. Oh, here it comes. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's getting really close. That's some angry ocean right there. Oh, I'm getting wet. Jeez. Oh, look at that. Get on flow. We have to go over there. Whoa! It's gonna hit us. Oh, that mist is so salty. It's from the ocean. Woo! Oh my gosh! Okay, guys, I'm gonna walk up there on the sidewalk. I saw the water. Oh, there it goes again. It's so high. All right, everyone, I'm on the sidewalk. You see all that water, a wet spot? That's where the waves be crashing against the rocks and it just splash all the way up. All those people were all bundled up. I'm thinking that's where it hits. That was crazy. Hopefully it hits again. You see a little mist. Oh man, oh my. Oh, that's what we want. That's where it hits. Oh! That was so nice. Oh my goodness! Oh! Wow! Whoa! There it goes! Whoa! Oh, I love that. I'm gonna walk away from the wind because it blows wind that way and it gets you wet. I'm gonna get closer. Here it comes. Whoa! Oh, that's so nice. Okay, right here. Should be a good spot. Oh, I didn't do it. Yes, this saltwater is gonna be so bad for the vehicles. All those vehicles, they're gonna get saltwater on their paint. Here it comes. Oh man. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Okay, this one's be a good one. I see a big wave coming. Whatever that. Wow. Honey, watch. You see that big wave coming? Tomorrow, it. Watch, it's gonna be a hit hard. It's gonna be a hard hit. Whoa. Holy cow! Jeez Louise! Oh, that's so awesome. Here it comes. It's not as big though. Oh, that's pretty big. Oh, that's huge. Here comes another one. Oh, this one be a big one too. Oh, I'm wet. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. You can hear it shakes the ground. Go. Watch. Here it comes. Here it goes. When that wave comes in, it's gonna go in there. Watch where it goes. It's gonna go in there and it blows out. Sheesh. Goes a little one. That big wave is gonna hit hard. Watch, it's gonna be a big explosion. Here it comes. Watch. That's crazy.
That was really good, bro.
Let's see another hit. Oh, there he goes. It should be a bigger one coming. What do you think, Lawyer? It's so cool. Like you can feel the ground shake. We go ground up. Oh, cool. That's crazy. That's nuts. Cuma ketira. God, that's so beautiful. This is crazy. I haven't been here where it's like crazy storm like this. Like the wave just shoots up so high. Especially that spot right there. I've never seen the wave hit over those rocks. Here it comes. Oh, Lawyer. Beautiful. It's like a volcano, but with waves. You gotta wait for the big waves to run in. That's when it'll go into that little crevice, and then it just shoots up. Oh, man, and you can feel the rumble. And that's another spot right there over there, where the waves will crash up there too. Nope, the little one. Okay, the waves are coming in. I'm waiting for this wave to hit. Maybe it's done. There's no more like strong waves anymore. That was insane though. I guess it's done. Yeah, there's no more strong big waves. Dang. I think the show's over. Yeah, show's over. But I thought that'd be a good video to get for you guys. I wish you guys can be here to see it first-handed. It's so nice. Ah, no more. Okay. We're done. This is Depot Bay, everybody. Depot Bay, Oregon. It's that little boardwalk here. It's a little town right here. This is 101, the coast of Oregon, and we're almost in Newport. So it goes deep. It goes Lincoln City, Depot Bay, and then Newport. We're almost there. That's crazy. Those homes looks like it might get hit by the waves. Let's see, any more waves coming. No more waves. Okay, here it comes. I see it. Okay, it's gonna be a big wave. Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh yeah. That's insane. That'd be so scary just to stand right there. All right, everybody. Make sure you continue to the next episode on our way to Newport, okay? I'll see. I'm closing out Washington Life. I'll see you guys shortly. Bye, everybody.